Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this outline text effect on CapCut PC. I'm just going to type in the word sublime just for some reasons, and then I'm going to select this because I want a wide outline, and I'm just going to adjust these outline thickness. Then I'm going to select right click, create compound clip, go to blend mode and choose screen, and as you can see it will only display the outline. You can copy and paste it many times as you want to create like this kind of effect if you'd like to, but I think I'm just going to go with like 2 is enough. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!